Welcome to this tutorial on the fast and easy way to calculate your GPA in 60 seconds. If you are a student who wants to track your academic performance and get a clear idea of where you stand, then you've come to the right place. Make sure to watch this video until the end to get a better understanding of how to calculate your GPA. Before we dive into the calculation process, let's quickly review what GPA is. GPA, A, stands for grade point average, and it's a numerical representation of a student's academic performance. GPA is calculated by assigning numerical values to letter grades and then averaging those values. Now let's move on to the calculation process. The first step is to assign numerical values to your letter grades. Typically, schools use a 4.0 scale to grade students, where an A is worth 4.0 points, AB is worth 3.0 points, AC is worth 2.0 points, AD is worth 1.0 points, and an F is worth 0 points. It's essential to check with your school to see if they use a different grading scale. Some schools may use a 5.0 or a 10.0 scale, and the numerical values assigned to each letter grade may vary. Once you have assigned numerical values to your letter grades, the next step is to calculate the grade points for each course. To do this, simply multiply the numerical value of your grade by the number of credits the course is worth. For example, if you got an A in a 3-credit course, your grade points would be 12. Similarly, if you got a B in a 4-credit course, your grade points would be 12. Now that you have to calculate the grade points for each course using the numerical value assigned to the letter grade received in the course. To do this, simply add up all the grade points for all the courses you have taken. To calculate the total grade points, multiply the number of credits for each course by the numerical value of the grade received in that course. For example, if you took 4 courses, each worth 3 credits, and you got an A in all 4 courses, your total grade points would be 48. 4 courses multiply 3 credits per course, multiply 4.0 numerical value for A. Finally, to calculate your GPA, divide the total grade points by the total number of credits you have taken. This will give you your GPA. For example, if you took 4 courses, each worth 3 credits, and you got an A in all 4 courses, your total grade points would be 48. Dividing 48 by 12, the total number of credits would give you a GPA of 4.0. In addition to calculating your overall GPA, it may be helpful to also calculate your semester or term GPA. To do this, you should follow the same steps outlined for calculating your overall GPA. However, instead of including all the courses you have taken throughout your academic career, you should only include the courses you took during the specific semester or term you are interested in. After calculating the total grade points and total credits for the courses taken during that semester or term, divide the total grade points by the total credits to get your semester or term GPA. By doing this, you can get a better understanding of your academic performance during a specific period of time. Your cumulative GPA is the average of all the grades you have received throughout your entire academic career. To calculate your cumulative GPA, add up all the grade points you have earned and divide by the total number of credits you have taken. If you're not comfortable doing the calculations by hand, you can use a GPA calculator. There are many online tools and apps available that can help you calculate your GPA quickly and easily. Once you have calculated your GPA, it's important to monitor it regularly. Keep track of your grades and credit hours each semester or term and recalculate your GPA as needed. This will help you stay on top of your academic progress and make any necessary adjustments to your study habits. Calculating your GPA can help you monitor your academic progress and establish future goals. Follow these steps to easily calculate and track your GPA. While it's important, remember that your GPA is only one part of your academic performance. Focus on learning, improvement, and goal attainment for a well-rounded experience.